In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate DHgate and make informed purchasing decisions. First things first, you'll want to hop onto your computer or mobile device and fire up your preferred web browser. In the address bar at the top, type in www.dhgate.com and press enter. This will take you to the home page of DHgate, a popular online marketplace where you can find a plethora of products ranging from clothing and electronics to home goods and accessories. It's a one-stop shop for nearly everything you might be looking for. Now, once you're on the main page, you'll notice a range of categories and options to explore. You might already have a product in mind, or maybe you're just browsing to see what catches your interest. Either way, take your time to navigate through the different sections or simply use the search bar at the top for a more direct approach. Let's say you're searching for a new smartwatch. Type smartwatch into the search bar, hit enter, and you'll see a variety of options pop up. When you click on a product that catches your eye, you'll be directed to the product's detailed page. This is where you'll find valuable information such as the product description, the materials used, and the seller's details. Take a moment to read through this information carefully to ensure that the item meets your requirements. Now comes a crucial part of the shopping experience: reviews. Scroll down the page until you find the reviews section. Here, you'll get insights from other buyers who have purchased the same product. Their experiences can give you a clearer picture of the product's quality and functionality. To dive deeper, click on the See All Reviews link. This will expand the reviews so you can see more in-depth feedback. Often, past buyers will include photos with their reviews, which can offer you a real-world glimpse of the product outside of the flawless pictures provided by the seller. Remember, reviews are a valuable tool for making informed decisions. Keep an eye out for consistent issues or praises mentioned across multiple reviews, as they can highlight potential red flags or assure you of the product's quality. While you're perusing, it's also helpful to check the seller's overall rating. A high rating generally indicates a reliable seller with good customer service. Once you're satisfied and ready to make a purchase, all that's left is to add the product to your cart and proceed to checkout. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to navigating DHgate confidently. By taking the time to explore products thoroughly and read reviews, you ensure a smoother shopping journey. I hope this guide helps you on your next DHgate adventure. Thanks for watching and happy shopping.